Right then guys, let's put this, it looks weird when there's like an empty seat. Looks like I have no friends. Alright, and that looks, yeah, let's get there we go. Oh, it's really hot in here as well. Alright then guys, so I just wanted to make, dying. Need to try and not breathe too deep, so I'm breathing all the dust. Alright then guys, so I just wanted to make this video to kind of gauge your interest on a few things. I guess one thing in particular, and that is, should I buy, cue the intro. Alright then guys, so I just wanted to make this video to try and gauge your interest on one thing in particular. Now that thing is, should I buy a new car? Now I don't mean a new car for me like I have in mind, you know, the next car that I want to buy, and I'm actually saving up for that right now. But I mean a car for the channel, you know, a car that I can make videos on, you know, kind of a project car, but a video that's gonna, you know, make some good content. So probably like a fixer-upper, you know, one that I can really like get involved with, and that's, you know, gonna make a lot of cool content, and hopefully this is gonna like help you guys. So like what I kind of had in mind, and what I'm gonna try and get across on this video, is that, you know, obviously I've broke cars and whatever else in the past. I say broke cars, I don't mean like, you know, I've smashed them to pieces. Well, kind of. I mean, I've like dismantled them, I've like taken the parts off them and then sold them, like to earn more money, like instead of like selling the car complete and hardly getting much. Thanks a lot for that. I'm guessing there's a motorbike or quad bike, probably couldn't even hear it. But anyway, so I think that could make for some, like, you know, pretty cool content in the future. But like for right now, at least until like I get you know, my new car later this year, I think it'd be like pretty good to, you know, have a car that I can actually work on and like I said, repair, and maybe even like at the end of it make like a tiny profit. You know, if I wasn't to make a profit, like it wouldn't be the end of the world. Obviously I'd have, you know, money and time invested into it. Hopefully I'd at least get my money back, but it would make like a lot of, you know, content, and obviously I'd earn a tiny little amount from the videos, and but you know, it should hopefully allow my channel to gain a little bit more traction, you know, with the regular car upload videos. So yeah, I'm just kind of, you know, gauging what to do. Like, should I buy a car that's broken, fix it, make videos on it, you know, make some cool content, and then maybe sell it at the end, or what? I don't really know what to do. I'm just kind of interested in your guys' opinion, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. But yeah, I'm not sure if there's anything else I want to touch on. Now, a lot of you guys are probably like, but you already have a car, like you already make videos on it. Yes, you know, I have the Corsa. It's made some good content and whatever else, but realistically there's not really a whole lot else I could do on it, you know, without doing like an engine swap or something like that. And it's you know, it's a cheap daily driver, so I don't really want to ruin that fact. And not to mention, like, my girlfriend's going to be having this car as well, so I just want to kind of like keep it stock, keep it standard, you know, make a few visual upgrades. You know, it's had like a lot of maintenance worked into it, which is obviously a good thing as well. But in terms of like mods and things like that. There's really not a whole lot else I can do to it, to be honest. So yeah, that's why I think, you know, between now and the time that I buy my new car, it'd kind of be a good thing to kind of leapfrog my channel, because it'd bring a whole host of new content. And yeah, I guess it'd just be cool to do, because, you know, I've never really had like a project car as such before. I've never really had to do like too many involved repairs, like, you know, it could be something like a head gasket, although, you know, me and my dad replaced the head gasket and well, the whole head kit on this engine, but I didn't make a video for that, which I probably should have in hindsight. But yeah, like maybe, you know, do some really in-depth, you know, videos and some really in-depth repairs that you know, gonna, like I said, make some good content. So yeah, so please, you know, just let me know your thoughts, you know, try and you know, help me come to a decision. Obviously I have some cash sitting waiting, you know, it is going to be for, that cash is for my car that I'm going to be buying later this year. But do I kind of make an investment into buying a project car, repairing it, making some good content for YouTube, and then selling it, and then putting that money back into my car fund? So yeah, I guess I just wanted to know you guys' thoughts. Please give this video a like if you have enjoyed it, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will see you in that next video. Peace!